Right, today. Look at this. Look what we got. What you got there, Noah?
Some pack and little binder.
A pack and a little binder. What pack is it? What cards are there? Pokémon cards. The Pokémon cards. Yeah, he's seen his my collection that he destroyed. If you watch that other video, and then Jack's got all his, and then he's got his own little binder now, so he's got no excuse to run around the street and tip all my old Pokemon cards out. Have you? Go steady. Do you want me to help you open that? Right, yeah. Don't bite the cards. Right, Jack, you open that for him. So Noah's got his first pack of Pokemon cards and his little binder. Look, and then Jack has got what's this?
Look. You don't even have to do anything.
A what?
Rebel Clash.
Rebel Clash. What is it? A box of tin or what?
You don't even leave.
And you get 60.
Oh, there you go. Go on. Just tear down the back. I've already opened them. Look. Woo! Do you want to do the card trick like Jack does? Is it 4?
Yeah.
We did it wrong last time.
Yeah.
Go around then and do it. What is it? 4? What do you mean? Is it, what? It was. Why is it 3 on the old ones and 4 on the new ones? So you do 4. Go on then.
4.
Don't show everyone, mate. Right, there you go. No, let Noah do. Give him to Noah. There is. You've got your own to do. Right, go on then. What you got? You got an energy card. No, just leave that. Just put it there for now. Look, come on. We got that. I'm sorry, people. I don't have a clue about all these new cards. They're new to me. I don't know if they're good, they're bad. I don't have a clue. So someone's gonna have to. Because look at it. Let's just show. Wait, keep still. Right, yeah. Put that. Got to put it down. So someone's gonna have to tell us if we've got any good ones. Cause I don't know. Do you know? Sort of. What's that one? Yeah, go on, next. We got that. I'll do it like this, yeah, there you go. Go on. Yeah, we already got that one. Go on. Look, I've got it. Look, no way. Right, go on, next.
Oh.
Go on, next. No, look, no, I can see him here, look. Yeah, so I'll just take a picture of you, look. Then you go on, next. Go steady. You're nearly showing what we got. Execute. Go on, I know that one. Yeah. Right, here, there you go. Right, next. So, execute, yeah. Then we got that one. Oh, what's that? Is that the shiny? Yeah. Is that it?
No, then.
Oh, then next one. Oh, is the last one. The last one. Is it good one? I don't know.
I need that.
You what?
I need it.
Jack needs that. Jack needs that. Right, now go steady. There, so is it a good one or?
Yeah.
It is a good one?
Yeah.
You got a good one, I think. Well, Jack thinks it is.
No, me one day.
Somebody, it is yours. It's yours. Jack's just saying it's a good one and he needs it. So, anyone let me know, is it good or bad or what? Well, put it in the binder, go steady with it. Don't, just go steady with it. It's a shiny, bro. Right, so it come with this. This is the, what is it? The Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars card list. So he's got a list of all the cards that he needs, then he can tick them all off. Is that right, Jack?
Yeah.
So there you go. So I'm guessing now, well, it used to just be Pokemon when I was doing it, in 95. Just the non-Pokemon like Pikachu and Charizards and all them snizzles. But now there's Pikachu that looks completely different. There's that donkey thing. There's that crabhead thing.
That looks absolutely different.
It looks like it's up a stick. It's pregnant with quadruplets. Right, and then what the hell's that thing?
It's more pickle.
Who?
I'm more pickle.
You're more pickled.
It's more pickle, not pickled.
Pickle dick. Hey. Right, let's do that. So, yeah, so there you go. You've got your own little thing. Look at concentration on that face. Go steady with Are you gentler more than with your cards than you will with mine? You're not gonna leave them on the street, are you? No. Right, come on then. Let's go on. Right, next. So there you go. That's his. Right, Jax. What you start with? Don't wait. Before that, don't you want to start with just your normal packs?
Yeah, I'll start with this one.
No, that's a sexy one, isn't it? In a box. So which one's this? What has he just opened? He's opened Brilliant Stars, right? So what you open?
Voltage.
A what?
Rude voltage.
Vivid voltage. Right, go on then. Get among it. Just trying something different, you know, to show that we're still here and stuff, but... Right. I don't know, I've forgotten. Right, go on then. Well, we've got to go and do that card trick. So, what we done it wrong before, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure it was free on the booster pack, on the old packs. Right, so, right, go on. Don't show, remember, go on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go steady. Don't scrape it on the table, man.
No.
You were. I need to buy one of them things, don't I? A proper old booster pack.
Yeah.
Right, go on then. Is that good? What's that? Yeah, go on next. Go on, we'll just fly through these. Oh, I like that. I might get it as a tattoo. What is it?
No.
Looks like Grandad, doesn't it? What's it? Oh, we're there. Slow down. Don't know what that is. It's like Auntie Leah. What the hell's that? True what?
I don't know. That's it.
True Bibish. True Bibish. Where did they get these names from? What the hell's it? What's a True Bibish? Are you a True Bibish?
No.
Are you a True Bibish?
Yeah.
Go on. Right, good luck next. Yep. So, someone must be a Pokemon guru on here, like with all these new cards. I'm on it. I know. Is this the last done?
Yeah.
And what have you got?
I don't know.
Is it good or bad? I don't know. Oh, it's a shiny! I can't even pronounce that. I'm not even going to try. I'll sound stupid. Airness. No, I don't know what it is. But yeah, please somebody who's a Pokemon guru help us. Well, help Jack out. I'm good with my old Pokemon cards. What these new ones? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it good? Yeah. Bad? Is it what? We don't know. So we'll just leave that to there, yeah. And then we're gonna open the second pack, yeah. Right. Second pack. Let's go. What pack is it? Oh, go on, you just do it. You do your thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, put them all together. Don't turn it over. Don't look. Don't cheat, you little bugger. Energy. Psychic energy in it.
Yeah.
Go on, I can see them. All these are like wow to me. Mr. Mime, I know Mr. Mime. I know Bellsprout. I know a few of them. Onyx. No, that. Yeah, I know Lee Sparrow.
Don't know.
I don't have a clue what that is. And what are we nearly on the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, is it last one? Look, we have to do a. Whoa! What is it? Is it shiny?
Yes, same as this.
Is it a hollow?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, it is. It is. I tell you what, right, lads and lasses. I like the old versions, mate. Crowbar. No, I really do like the old versions. So yeah, there you go. Right, did you need that one? Yeah. Well, there you go. Right, put that to the side for now. Before you put in your binder. Oh, do you want to show me your new binder?
This is my new binder.
Yeah, show me your new binder. That's his old binder that we did the last video on. Why is there 2 cups there? Who's been in here when we haven't been here? Right, look. This is... Go on, good luck. This is a new binder. No, turn it over then. I want to see the binder. You... Hey, look, your new binder. Is that a Ghastly? No. It's a Gengar. It's a Gunga Din. No, Gengar, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a Gengar. Right, come on then, next packet, third packet, come on. Right, just leave them there for now. So which is next? We've got how many? 2 more packets. Go on then, go. Right, good then. We just let Jack out to open bag cards. What did you do? Show him.
Do that thing.
Yeah, so you don't bend it, yeah. Not too hard. Right, here we go. Oh, we just got a sneak peek at the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, go steady. Energy. What are these? Right, I don't have a clue. Metapod, I know that one.
And need the Butterfree.
Meowth. Wow, that looks different to the Meowth I got.
It's a lone Meowth.
A lone Meowth.
A lone.
Looks like a fecking scary one.
I need that Meowth.
Do you? Oh, well, there's a Caterpie. Yeah, I know that one. Don't have a clue what that is. There's a candle. Don't know what that is. Why are we not with that? Are we? Wait, is the next card the thing? Is the next card the thing?
Yeah.
Well, look, we have to do it. Oh, wait, what are you saying, Dad, for? Stop looking! Stop looking!
That's the room.
Oh,
No, but
no! Everyone, tell them why you got this box.
I got this box.
Because it tells you the shiny on the front what you're going to get.
And
So he got it because he needs it. He's got the cards, and look what he's got there. Is that another one?
Yeah, but it's a different one. That has the,
What do you mean a different one?
It's the same thing, but that is the one on the out, and that one's on the picture. The
What do you mean? I don't know, bro.
Like the shiny stuff.
Right, come on, then next one. What's the next one? What is it?
That's
I thought that was supposed to be last.
the evolved version of that.
Is it?
Yeah.
What? Evolve of Meowth?
Yeah.
What the heck? Right, come on, next one, my friend. Right, I've got it next ready. Next ready.
Yeah.
Where's it gone then? Come on then. That's what we were just saying, why Jack opens that. There's this one, they said, and then this one, yeah? So this one's shiny all the way down the card, and that one's only a shiny, like a hollow at the top. So, does that mean this one's better than that one, or is that one better than this one? Will somebody just answer us, please?
I think they're both the same.
They can't be the same. One of them has to be better than the other, or they wouldn't have made two different types. Well, that's just my thinking. Right, come on, let's do this schnizzles. Right, go on. Yeah, what's that? Go on, yeah. Close them all up, mate. Look, you're showing everybody. Right, what's that? Yeah, don't have a clue. Please, someone help us. If we're open booster packs, oh, is that? It's not shiny, that is it.
No.
Why is that shiny though? I thought the last card was supposed to be shiny.
There's one behind this.
Oh, is it? Right, go on then, go on then, go on then, go on then. What the fuck? What the heck is that?
I don't know.
Looks like your Auntie Leah.
He's there.
What the F is that?
I don't know.
What is that? I'm just confused about all these new Pokemon cards. Right, put them there. Right, keep that to a side. Right, now what we got? This one. So what's this one? Look, everyone, this is it's like a pack, but it's a what? Evolution. Go on then, give it open. But it's in like a cardboard case thing. How much was that?
Don't know. I forgot.
And how much were the packs? £4 each?
Yeah.
£4 each for the packs. The little binder things that no rad, they were, was it £5? £4.99, £5.99 something. Oh look, so what's this? Same as nose, isn't it? Evolution Skies. Go on then. Show them how we opened them for. Put your thumb at the top.
Nope.
There you go, and then just pull its head off. Pulled its head off. Well, right, make sure we keep them tight together. Get rid of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, over. Don't be spying on it, Jack. Don't be spying on it. Right, go on. Psych Energy. And take your mum swimming. Lollipop. Don't do that. Don't have a clue. Do you need any of these? There's a bird with fluff on its wings. Do you need any of these?
Don't think so.
Right, go on, right, go on. Oh, look, you're telling everybody what the Chinese made. You're telling everybody. Right, go on, next. Next. Right, is this the last one? Is this which one's the shiny next one?
Yeah.
Go on, Fluffy. Is it a good one?
Yeah.
Is it a good one?
Yeah.
Do you effing love it?
Yeah.
Do you love it, bro? Do you love it? Bro! What? We've got a Fluffy. What is it? We've got a Fluffy! A Fluffy! Do you need a Fluffy?
Yeah.
Yes! Right. He's going to put all these in binder, and then that's about it for now. Oh no, sugar with snizzles on top. We've got one more box to go. One more box to go. Right, go on then, give it open. So he's already got this one. Where's it there? And he got this out of a pack, but it's a full shiny card or something. I want to see the difference between this one. Oh, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Oh, go steady, good luck at the top card. Oh, what you got there? Slammer. I'm playing Pogs, bro. Yeah, has anyone played Pogs before the class? Pogs are better than Pokemon, you know. Why have you got a Slammer?
That's a coin.
Well, it's a Slammer.
It's a coin.
It's a Slammer.
Coin, I've got loads of coins in there.
Well, I've got loads of Slammers now, but my Slammers... Wait, are we going to play Pogs next? Right, go on then, what's the difference with these? Which one was out with that box thing?
That was out
That one.
outside the box, and that was out of the pack.
Yeah, so the one that's full shiny is better, innit?
I don't know.
I don't know. Will someone help us, please? Right, anyway, go on, get this box open. How many cards are in here?
60.
Whoa! What the F, bro? What the F, bro? Whoa! Whoa! Right, go on then, do the trick. Forward back. Will that work?
No.
Right, go on then, let's just snizzle them out. Go on, snizzles.
Energy.
I don't know what energy is. Go on, go on, go on.
Energy.
You got another one of them? You knobhead.
All different kinds.
Oh, heck. Right, go on, do you need that one?
Yeah, that evolves into that.
That evolves into that. Right, go on. How many shinies you getting this?
Don't know.
What the hell are all these people? Will someone help us? Someone must be able to help us. Just leave a comment in comment section, please. There's another one of them.
I'm getting doubles of everything.
Yeah, look, you get. Yeah, it's just a where's the schnizzles?
Ah, Poker Kid.
A Pokey Kid.
Poker Kid.
Why is there a bong there? What? I mean, what's that?
Potion.
A potion.
Oh, whatever it is.
Jesus, whips, kids. What kids these days, man? Right, come on. Another energy thing. There's a crow. There's another one of them energy things. How much you pay for that? This pack?
14, 15.
£14.50.
14 to 15 pounds.
There's a Pokey Kid. Pocket stretching eye. There's another energy. Jesus, wept.
Same.
So you've got all these, man. Are you ever going to buy one of them again?
No.
It's better off buying the little packs, isn't it, for £4?
Yeah.
You're that better off buying the packs for £4, the little packs, instead of one of them case, these things, these, the poop. Don't buy that. Would you buy another one of them?
No.
Would you buy just loads more of them little packs that we just
Unless I
opened?
needed a card at the front.
Yeah, no, but guess what you did before? You got the things, didn't you? And you got the card that you needed in the other packs, and it was better than the one that was in front there. It's called teasing you, bro. Teasing you, bro. Right, so Jack's going to put all these away, aren't you?
Yeah.
In his binder. And if you like these Pokemon videos, we shall... Oh, what you got now? What you got now, bro? What you got? What's that?
It's a Pokemon game.
Those them stickers I need for... Oh, no, it's not. I was going to make some exploding targets. Yes, can I have these?
Yeah.
Right, next video. This is for the exploding targets that I'm going to make soon. Keep tuned. Right, go on. What's this? What's this? Oh, it's a. Have you got a pretty picture? Come on. The video's about 18 hours long. What is it? That is sugar. What the hell is it? Yeah, just one of them. Anyway, so Jack, you're going to put these away, aren't you?
Yeah.
With his slammer. Should we have a game of Pogs one day?
It's not a pot.
Yeah. Yeah, but it looks like a slammer off Pogs, bro.
It's not.
It looks like one though, but if you get, I'll give you a game of Pogs, right? It's better than Pokemon cards. Right, anyway, so he's going to put all these away, sort them out. Thanks for watching. Love yous all, and what, Jack? Goodbye. Bye. 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 Thanks for watching.